This is a brand new 2013 Ford Expedition. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, power-adjustable driver pedals, a sunroof, a cooled driver's seat, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, an anti-lock braking system, steering wheel mounted controls, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Hoblit Motors is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 5th and 6th on Main Street in Colusa.